Hi, it's Bob again. If you're watching this, you already have access to the Clarity Coach. The link is in the same email as this video. I want to take a few minutes to explain how it works because it's intentionally different from most tools you've ever used. The most important thing to understand right away is this. Clarity Coach is not a course. It is not something to get through, and it is not here to tell you what to do. Most tools try to help you by giving you more information. But if you're here, information probably isn't your problem. Pressure is, noise is, second guessing, or those doubts that creep in. The Clarity Coach exists for one reason: to help you slow things down enough to think clearly again without being pushed, guided, or rushed. When you open the Clarity Coach, you might notice something right away. It doesn't greet you. It doesn't ask you any questions. It doesn't tell you what to do. The silence is intentional. Silence here isn't confusion. It's permission. Nothing happens until you decide to type. And nothing bad happens even if you don't. Hi, let me show you what I mean. I'm here. I'm not in ChatGTP yet. I'm just at a blank screen. I'm going to paste the link up here to get to the Clarity Coach. That will take me into ChatGTP and get you started. And like you can see, there's nothing here. No greeting, no prompt. That's it. It's just a quiet space. That's on purpose. Okay, let's move on. When you're ready, just type whatever feels most present. It doesn't need to be well thought out. A sentence is fine. A few words are fine. And spelling doesn't even count. Even type, "I'm not sure." That's fine. All right, here we are. Like the previous slide said, you could type a sentence, you could type a few words, and spelling doesn't count as long as you're at least close. Or you can just type, "I'm not sure." And that's enough to get you started with the Clarity Coach. One important boundary to understand: the Clarity Coach will not give you advice. It won't provide step-by-step instructions. It won't tell you what to do next. That's not a limitation. That's the design. A good session doesn't end with a plan. It ends with you feeling a little calmer, a little steadier, a little less rushed. Sometimes that takes a few minutes. Sometimes it's just one message. When you feel ready, close it. You're not meant to linger. The win is not more conversation. The win is less pressure. One practical note before I finish. If you don't already have a ChatGTP account, I recommend creating one. You can see there's lots of ways to create them. And I'll tell you why in the next slide. All right, one last thing. We're almost done. I would highly recommend you go ahead and create a ChatGTP account. The biggest benefit from that is that it will remember your conversations. This is my account, and you can see over here all of the conversations So I can go in and pick one and then add to it or continue it. ChatGTP does not remember across conversations. So get your account, take full advantage of what's free. That's it. There is nothing you need to accomplish here. Nothing you need to figure out today. Just a place you can return to when things feel noisy. Open Clarity Coach when you need it. Close it when you feel steadier. Quiet is part of the process. And trusting yourself again happens one calm moment at a time.